everyone, my name is Rosalyn Money. I would like to tell you about the situation in Haiti. When I was a little girl and before I came to America, I was having a dream in my mind since I was a little girl, the way the kids in Haiti, the people in Haiti, the way the country in Haiti is very bad. So I used to go to that church. It's called Evangelic Britannic Christian Church in Haiti. The problem there, when I was there, when I used to go to school, and the problem was so bad, the kids wasn't have no food, no drink, nothing. You guys know, you see the problem in the TV and the news, how Haiti is very bad. So I don't want to tell you everything because you guys already see it. All of you in America, you see the problem in Haiti. We don't have enough. We don't have no food, no medication, nothing. So I was having my mind to help those kids, to help the people in Haiti before I came. Before I came to America, I always pray God to say, how can I help? How can I help them? But now, I think in 2006, I went to Haiti. I do my first missionary in Haiti. And the church, Evangelic Christian Britannic in Haiti. So I was helped them so much. So God was using me to send me to Haiti. It was a miracle. The kids, you can see the joy in their face. They were so happy. And now I keep asking myself, how can I help them? How can I finish my mission? How can I finish everything I've been have to do? I have in my mind to help them because they don't have no food, they don't have nothing. You can see them, they pick up food in the garbage. They don't have no education. You see they sleep in the street. They don't have, most of them, they don't have no family. They don't have no mom, no dad to help them. And the disease still killed a lot of the kids in Haiti. I would like to asking you, all of you, everyone see the video on this video and YouTube. I would like to asking you, please help us, help them. I am in Seattle, Washington, and the pastor is in Haiti. He's the one sponsor everything for me in Haiti because my dream. His name is Pastor Vilboin. Pastor Vilboin, I would like to present to you Pastor Vilboin. Pastor Vilboin, he's the one, he's the pastor in Haiti. He has this church they need help. They need help a lot. They need a lot of help over there because the kids over there, they don't have nothing in school. They don't have like clothes. They need food. They need they need computer. They need education because you can see the world. You can see everybody in the world. They need help. Like we need help in Haiti too. Please, if you guys can help us, God will use each of you, see the video, and please help us. My vision is to build an orphanage for them, healthcare, to build like a place for them to sleep. Also, I would like to give them food, send food for them. I don't have the help. Please, if you help me, ask yourself a question. When you see your kids sleep in a clean place, you know, when you see those kids, even myself, this is why I'm taking to help them because I see my kids here, how they sleep on a clean place and a clean bed, they drink clean water, and they don't have clean water to drink. They don't have clean food to eat. They pick up food in the garbage. And also they don't have even nobody. They die in the street. Please, help me and my husband also. And the first trip I do in Haiti, this is my husband. He was with me, and I have a couple people also with me. Those people there in Haiti. Please, we have that dream to help those kids in Haiti and to build the orphanage, the church. I think the pastor has several church in Haiti. He have church like several places, but I don't know the name of them. And I think I have in my mind, I have my dream to continue my missionary. Please, my vision is to have a project for them, for them to have a good education, like my kids have a good education here in America, because you guys been help me, and I still need your guys' help. How can you guys help me? If you go to this website, I think if you go to YouTube, you will see my project. You will see what I've been doing. Tell me at MoniRoslyn@yahoo.com. And also, if you want to call, if you can call me, if you want to help me, like anything God put in your mind to help me, because the kids, they need food, they need clothes, they need like education, they need computer too, they need anything. So please help me. They need medication. I need medication for them. I need place, a diaper, everything I need. Because I visit several places in the hospital. Those people, they don't have no bed to sleep. They sleep in the floor. They sleep in like a box. They sleep in the box. They don't have nothing. I have this young woman, is a young girl, age 19. She was gonna die. Actually, I'm the one saved her life. I saved her life because the way I saw her, she wasn't have nobody to help her, and I take her in my own place. So I saved her life. I pay money for her for surgery, for medication. I cannot do more, but I have in my mind to keep helping them. Please, anyone, help me. Help me. They need your help. They need your help. God will bless each of you. Please help me. You can even call me in 206-245-3949. Please save those kids' lives in Haiti. Please. And also you can call me at 206-723-1501. Please help me. Help them. Don't help me. Don't you do it for them, because you do it for God. You know what you do, even you pay you give them 1 penny, God will bless you. God will bless you. Thank you very much.